Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 10 of ICT A to Z beginner series. Today I am going to show you the example of breaker block, mitigation block, order block in US30. Okay, so hope you will watch this video till end and make sure you join our YouTube channel and also join our Telegram channel, link in the description. So let's get started. So we are here in a 1 hour US30 chart. So I suggest you pause the video and you should watch what is there, what is in the chart. See, some of you never pause this video. Liquidity swept, right? Okay, market break of the structure here, right? We have three type of entries, sorry. Breaker block, order block, okay, and here is not a mitigation block, but there is, I will show you. So you see price took out the liquidity, market structure shift on kill zone hour, price tap on it and give us a reaction downside. Okay, in here price break of the structure, come back, mitigation block, and to the upside the liquidity I have seen. Okay, here also this order block, liquidity, Asian session range. Okay, see liquidity, these, you will see this type of setup every week folks, every week. Okay, here break of structure, breaker block, because these took out the liquidity, opposite side liquidity, breaker block, right? Okay, to the next. High time frame POI, break, order block, liquidity, break, breaker block, liquidity. Are you seen here? That's all you have to do, practice on your chart. Any market folks, any market, not only US30, now Center SPX 500, these ICT strategy will work. I will explain you more. You will see more depth when you coming on the next lectures, slowly on ICT 222 model, silver bullets, Judah swing or whatever. Okay, you will see these type of setups every day. You don't have to apply all setup on one chart. You can only pick one: breaker block, mitigation block, order block, fair value gap or inversion fair value gap. Work on it. You will see a massive result. Okay, until next time, be safe.